Networking in the cloud is a bit like a nightclub, as there are many network components involved, including security concepts. So let's imagine we have a famous nightclub called the Subnet Club, and the hint is in the club's name. And the Subnet Club is located on the VPC road. And tonight is Friday night, so Sally wants to dilly-dally at the Subnet Club. Yee boy! Now, obviously, outside of this analogy, the VPC in cloud terminology means Virtual Private Cloud, aka VPC Road that Sally has just arrived on. And on VPC Road is a queue or a line to the Subnet Club, which you can think of as a public queue, aka the Internet Gateway, IGW. And once Sally is on VPC Road and gets past the Internet Gateway, Sally reaches the Subnet Club, but has to get past the Subnet Club's front door, which operates a VIP list, also known as a Network Access Control List, ACL. And if Sally passes the ACL, she is then into the Subnet Club. However, before Sally can get down and boogie, she has one more door she needs to get through before she can get to the dance floor. And this door is protected by a security group or a door bouncer. And by default, this security group or door bouncer does not allow anyone, aka traffic, into the dance floor without appropriate checks. So this is where Sally would get out her ID. And once the security group, aka doorman, is happy with Sally's ID and her age verification, then Sally can enter the dance floor. And boogie, because Sally just wants to have fun. Oh yeah. And once Sally is ready to leave, she can leave without any checks through the exit door. So all that process is pretty standard, but this is where it gets a little bit complicated in the cloud. So let's recap. When Sally got inside past the VIP ACL, she was met by the security guard, aka security group, which blocks all traffic by default, and also ID is checked, aka proof of age. However, once Sally was in the club and wanted to leave, by default all outgoing traffic is allowed out since the doorman security group already checked on the way in. And now, this is where cloud security gets a little bit complicated. Let's say Sally enjoyed the Subnet Club and wanted to return back into the club. But hold your fire, Sally. She can't just walk straight in because the VIP list is stateless, aka the network ACL is stateless and thus has to be checked again. Whereas the security group, aka door bouncer, is stateful and remembers who came in and returned. And because Sally is part of the returning traffic, she is allowed in to dance and boogie all night all over again. So it's important to remember the difference between the stateless and stateful states of these security concepts being network ACLs and security groups. And another tip is to remember these two components as virtual firewalls, one for the subnet network boundary layer and the other for the resource app layer, e.g. the EC2 instance or virtual machine, or whatever item in the cloud you are trying to protect behind the subnet. And just to recap, for those who love a good diagram, here is Sally, the client, and this is how it would work if I used internet icons to explain the analogy that we just went through of entering the nightclub. I hope all this has made sense and that you understand the difference between network ACLs and security groups. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe to help support this channel, which is new, only created in 2025. And when you like and subscribe, this helps support the channel by pushing it up YouTube's algorithm and helps me know that these videos are helping you. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more content like this, it would be super fantastic if you could leave a like and subscribe to help support this channel's growth.